buy those so that we can sell so that the algo can sell the whatever and then go down, you know? Go sell those we accumulated sell orders to go. And okay guys, we are currently here in price, and we are still within that 2-minute demand zone. We don't mind price taking us out, even though we are within this bullish dealing range. Bullish dealing range. This bullish dealing range was meant to go mitigate the weak the H4 supply. After we mitigated the H4 supply, we went on bearish and broke the internal 15-minute structure. After we broke that internal 15-minute structure, I saw that according to my mechanical strategy of the 3-box, I figured that to be just a grab of liquidity for the market to go to the upper side, because that's my model, right? And that's because that's my model. And yeah, we had our break of structure there that I just like I explained. And this accumulation of sell orders to go and manipulate and pair them with those buy orders is for the means. Yeah, we did our manipulation, and we did our accumulation manipulation, and we are waiting for our displacement leg to come and break this 50-minute protected low and get to mitigate our premium levels so that we can sell to target our H4 week lows, right? That's what we are anticipating in price. But internally in the 15-minute time frame, we had that three box for me, which is we had our week high and our week low. Hence we just mitigated our 15-minute zone. Hence I am anticipating that price will mitigate this to go and mitigate some supply zones there at the premium level of this structural leg that broke the structure, to further go and break this protected lows. That's what I would like to see. But according to my mechanical strategy, I know according to this mechanical strategy, that we are currently in the 15-minute dealing range. We might come from that, do the mitigation of that supply, which would be a target, and then to go and mitigate another discount array or supply to go further to target the liquidity above there and target 50% of that that supply zone, H4 supply zone, to further maybe okay guys, we are currently, let me just remove these things. We are currently the price we were not taken out, luckily. We just wicked below our demand zone to grab liquidity, or to seek liquidity to go to the upside, hopefully. But mind you, let me show you something again that I showed you. No, I didn't show you this, guys. Okay. We have a volume imbalance here. I think you guys can see it. This volume imbalance there. Let me use this magnet thing so that I can label the volume imbalance nicely. Very nice. Let's see. I don't see the bodies. That body closed there. This is a volume imbalance. We see we had that body closed there. Yeah, that's what I like. Once I see this break of closing on top of that volume imbalance, what I want to see is for it to tap that volume imbalance to go up at least above there, or at that week. Let's see. Let's just touch there. Let's see if it will push. we had another volume imbalance there, but I don't know if price hits this level, my 3RR, I would love to partial out 50% of my position right there, and then let the rest running, and then put my stop loss right at the point, right at where I entered, right where I entered. But we can see that we're currently within this CB, this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We just went and filled it there, but not with full bodies, but we wicked to that candle, or to that green candle. What I'd like to see is for it to push up to this fair value gap that we can see at the left, and then come to the to this inversion fair value gap, and head above there, take out to my 3RR, or even further to those imbalances after we are done with this imbalance. Let's see what's gonna happen. And let me not disturb you guys. Let's go to the 5-minute to see how the trade is going in other time frames, because it's very important to manage your trades in both time frames. And I will stick with the 5-minute because I like what I'm seeing, because I can do much further analysis here much more clearly. Yeah, we had this sell side buy side sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We are within that. So let's see, let me remove this volume imbalance labels. Okay. Yeah, let's see how we act within that. What we want to see is, does this want to support no, resist price so that it go to the downside, or what? So let me pause this video so that it doesn't be that long. Getting back to the video, what I can see right now, guys, let me move this thing first so that you can see. You can see below we had this fair value gap there. We see that we had this fair value gap there, or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. It delivered price to the buy side, but it was inefficient with the sell side, right? So if we break here, if we break this structural 15-minute higher low, or lower high, I would like to see price to come back. Let me use this, to come back and mitigate that fair value gap and push price to the upper side, to this fair value gaps, or to that wick, or to this I don't know if I could, order block, inversion fair value gap. Hey, there's a lot of PDRs up there, whatever. But let's see what will happen. Yeah, let's see what will happen. Okay, let me see. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, I labeled a supply zone. Why is this a supply zone? Because it was unmitigated and it left a and it has a CB or fair value gap below it, hence a supply zone, right? So I want to see what we will do within that at that supply zone. We're going to go to the supply zone to go and mitigate it, do our confirmation 1 minute, no, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute confirmations to go bearish to target this protected low, which after we break it, that will be our 50-minute break of structure to the downside, and then we will go back to our premium. We have to, after every break of structure, we are expecting or anticipating retracements to go and mitigate our premium levels to go bearish and target our week lows. Guys, if you don't understand, tell me in the comment section or whatever, send me a message. I'll make things dumber for you, dumber things down for you. So let me leave this, let me remove this, because we already know that was manipulation. Liquidity grabbed, got in, did a 2-minute confirmation, took an entry, we are up, we are up, we are up. Let me go to the 5-minute. This here, this two candles, these two red candles, let me check if I'm not okay. Yeah, these two red candles, it's our mitigation block. Why is it a mitigation block? It is a mitigation block, but because it failed to go and break price to the upper side. It failed to break price to the upper side, and then price, what did price do? It went and broke that mitigation block slow to the downside, hence a break of structure. So price might mitigate this mitigation block because it is a PDRA, you know that, right? Oh, we just hit our 1:3. Let me go and take my partials.